Hello everyone, good morning to all of you and welcome back to in the new chapter. Today we are going to do first lesson of the class 9 entre Jean la famille. Lesson 1 la famille, the family. So let's start. In this first phase there is two girls, they are talking. So start. Akanksha se presente. Akanksha is presenting. Akanksha. Je m'appelle Akanksha. My name is Akanksha. Je suis 11. I am 16 years old. Je suis au lycée. I am in high school. Voici mon frère Kunal. Here is my brother Kunal. Il a 17 ans. He is 17 years old. Il est au lycée aussi. He is a high school student also. Et toi and you, tu t'appelles Pauline. You are calling Pauline. Tu as quel âge? What is your age? Akanksha is asking to her friend. Tu as quel âge? What is your age? Tu habites où? Which means where do you live? Tu es français? Are you French? Notre père. Here is a box. There Akanksha is described about their mother and father. Notre père travaillait à l'ambassade de Londres à Paris. Our father is work at Embassy of India in Paris. Notre mère est professeur de la musique classique indienne. Our mother is an classical teacher of my mother is an music classic teacher. No camarade del class son tres sympa. Our classmate is very nice or good. J'apprends à me présenter. À toi, here you have to fill up with your name, your age or your identity. The first one is comment tu t'appelles, which means what is your name or what are you calling. Je m'appelle, here you have to fill up your name. Quel âge as-tu? Je. Here also you have to fill up with your age. Où habites-tu? J'habite à Paris, à Londres. Quelle est la nationalité? What is your nationality? Qui fait ton père? What is doing or do your father? Et ta mère? And your mother? Ma mère est une femme au foyer. My mother is a housewife. Like this you can fill up this all 5 and 6 characters. Okay. Voici, here is Ali and Nargis. Ali and Nargis. Ils sont sénégalais. They are Senegals. Leurs parents habitent au Dakar, au Sénégal. Their father live at Dakar in Senegal. Leur père est un informaticien. Their father is a engineer. Il travaille chez IBM. He works at IBM. So here is 6 scene and we have to match with this sentence. Salut Max. Hi Max. Salut Henry. Hi Henry. Ça va? How is it going? Oui. Yes. Ça va bien. Yeah. Is it good? Et toi and you? Super. So here we can see that in the first scene there is two men, they are asking about themselves. Number second, bonsoir ma chérie, un café. Good evening my friend, un café et coffee. Bonsoir, oui, merci, c'est gentil. Yeah, yes, thank you, that's great. Here we can see in scene number 5 that there is a man and a woman. They are sitting on a table, and here we can see some coffee with them. So number second is match with 5. Number 3, bonjour madame Borno. Good morning madame Borno. Bonjour monsieur Rosu. Comment allez-vous? How is going or what is going? Je vais très bien, merci. Yes, I'm doing well or I'm going good. Thank you. Here we can see in scene number 3, there a man and a woman are talking each other. So number 3 is equal to or match to scene number 3 also. Number 4, bon année à tous. Happy New Year to all of you. Here in scene number 6 we can see that there are some people, they are celebrating New Year. So question number 4 is matched with 6. 5, au revoir, goodbye, au revoir, à mercredi prochain. Scene number 5 is matched with question number 5 is matched with scene number 4. There are some school boys. And scene number 6, excusez-moi, comment vous vous appelez? Excuse me, what you call yourself? What is your name? Je m'appelle Maureen. Et toi? Tu t'appelles comment, Paul? Are you called Paul? Here last one is matched with scene number 2. Next one is, here is 3 box. Il se présent sur internet. They are presenting themselves on the internet. Salut, hi, je m'appelle Vasu. My name is Vasu. Je suis Indian. I am Indian. J'habite à Chennai. I live at Chennai. J'ai 13 ans. I am 13-year old. Je parle hindi, anglais, tamil et un peu français. J'aime. I speak Hindi, English, Tamil and little bit French that I like. In the box number 2, bonjour, mon nom c'est James Bond. My name is James Bond. Je suis de Londres. I am from London. Je suis anglais. I am Englishman. Je parle bien anglais, français et espagnol. I speak English, French and Spanish very well. Scene number 3, there is Amir Abdullah. Salut, je suis de Paris. Hello, I am from the Paris. But je suis Algérien, but I am Algerian. Je parle français, arabe et peu allemand. I speak French, Arabic and a little bit German. मैं paro, j'habite en Algérie. My parents live in Algeria. Here is a family tree. Here you have to fill up with the name of your parents, grandfather, grandmother, sister, brother, like this, uncle, auntie. Next one is à toi de compléter comme dans l'exemple. Here you have to complete this with example. Here is verb parle, er verb, and you all know that how can we conjugate easily er verbs. So first word is parler, which means to talk, to speak. Je parle, tu parles, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, elle plural parle. So here you have to fill up with example like this. J'habite à Delhi. I live in Delhi. Je m'appelle Divya. My name is Divya. Tu habites à Lahore. You live in Lahore. And tu t'appelles Mansoor. And you call yourself Mansoor. Here you have to fill up. Vous habitez à Paris, which means you live in Paris. Il habite à Mumbai, and elle habite à Chennai. Like this you can fill up everything. J'étudie alphabet. Écoutez et répétez. This is alphabet. You can practice yourself. And in this next part there is counting 0 to 100. So let's start. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 29, 30, 30, 40, 50, 60. Counting is very easy till 16, but after the 60 you have to read it or learn it by your heart. So after 70, after 60 you have to 8 plus 10 to 70. 70, 11, 79, 73, like this. And for 80 you have to multiply 20 into 4, 4, which means 80. After 80, 81 is 81, 82, 83, etc. And 90 is 20 into 4 plus 10, which means 80 plus 10, which means 90. 91, 92, like this. And last one is 100. Here is also a scene. Dennis, je vous présente mon père et ma mère. I am presenting you to my parents, my mother and my father. Mes autres invités sont en retard. Sont en retard is an expression which means to be late. Voici Catherine. Son père est avocat. Her father is an advocate. Sa mère est secrétaire. Her mother is a secretary. Ses cousins sont encore sont encore étudiantes. And her cousin is still encore is still student. Ali, où est ta sœur et ton cousin Pierre, tes grands-parents? Yeah, here are some question. The vrai ou faux? First one is le père de Danny est médecin. The father of Pierre, Dennis is a doctor. No, his father is a advocate. So it is faux. Ali est un ami de Dennis. Vrai. Yes, Ali is a friend of Dennis. La mère de Danny est secrétaire. Yes, vrai. Number 4. La cousine de Danny travaillons. No, it is also faux. La cousine de Danny s'appelle Paul. No, it is also faux.